Hello everyone, welcome back to BPM Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about how to use format printer and what is help of it. Basically, I have a list of data. I'm just giving an example here, and I just want to add few more rows here. Like I want to add marks as in title. I want to add scores, percentage as in title. So there are few more columns I wanted to add remarks as in titles. So I want to add remarks. Now, if I want to make it to the same color what name employee have, manually how I need to do, I need to select all the three rows. I need to go to color coding. I need to select yellow color, then I need to select the bold, and then again I'll select it to the center. Then I'll go to border. I'll give all border. But you can do one another way as well. How you can do that? With the help of format printer. Basically what you need to do is you need to go to that particular column or row wherein the same replica you want to the another columns. So go to home. You can see here in the top of the home below you will find a brush. If you do single click, it will directly, you need to paste it here, automatically it will get changed. Understood guys? Now this is one way of using the format printer. Now basically I have used few marks and everything here, and considering the format of all this are in a different way. Example, the marks are given in a different format, score percentage are in a different remarks I'm adding pass. Example, everything is in a different format. Example, okay, pass. Now I want to make this as in the same format what Ajay has. What I'll do, I'll go to again format printer. I'll just paste it over here. Automatically it will get changed. Now again you need to consider convert this code to the percentage. You can directly go to the percentage option and it will get moved. So basically format printer will help you to uh, have a same format on a different row or column. That's it guys. Don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.